research. So survey research is a new technique we are going to study today. So we all have heard about survey, and we have got some basic idea about the term survey. In many kind of surveys, we have also taken participation, and if we will we need to have an understanding of survey, then census would be the best example to understand as to what survey is all about. So there are numbers of surveys going on in different fields of study, and when we are talking about social science and social science like sociology, anthropology, you are finding studies, small surveys going on in daily basis from various organizations and institutions. Even some government organizations and institutions undertake surveys regularly to understand various dimensions of opinion and interest and different problems around us. So survey is not a new concept, and we all have experienced, and many a times we have also participated in many of the surveys conducted for various reasons. So I think it will be easy to understand and comprehend before you as to what a survey research is and how to go about it, how to approach a survey research, and what are the different dimensions of conducting survey, and how a researcher undertakes the survey research. So before that, we need to understand what is a survey research is all about. What is the difference between a survey research and the other kind of research that has been discussed for the last 4 classes? We have been discussing different types of research methodology, and more prominently we have discussed the scientific and empirical social understanding society from a empirical and more scientific point of view, and more scientific perspective, more scientific understanding of society and its social realities around us. But when we are talking about survey research, how do you differentiate between all those kind of researches and survey research? Many of the sociologists and anthropologists, and even in common parlance, people have a fair idea on what a survey is all about. It is also an impression that survey, unlike other researches that we have already discussed in our previous 4 classes, are not so very scientific and mostly an unstructured kind of research being carried out by different organizations and institutions. Apart from the distinction between survey and other kind of researches, or more prominently the more scientific researches, you'll find how both the kind of survey research and other kind of research has something in common in between them. The common elements between the survey research and the other kind of researches that we have already discussed in previous classes are that in both the researches, we or the sociologist or social sciences tries to inquire upon various dimensions of society, various dimensions of social reality, and socio-psychological variables present in the society. So from the universe or from the point of view of problem analysis, almost survey research and other kind of researches, they tend to operate within a particular frame of thought or frame of operation, like they conduct their survey or research within the sociological and social dimension or the various dimensions of society and sociological behavior. So there are differences that in terms of employing the techniques of data collection, it is a relatively less structured and less, I would say, scientific. But when we are talking about the whole gamut of operational area of survey research and other kind of researches, and at least in social science research, we find the operational area or the universe is almost the same in both the researches. So survey research is a new technique for social science research. Like other research, survey research is a new kind of technique for social science research. But when we are undertaking research in other by taking into consideration different research methodologies, we tend to go deep into the area that we are going to unravel. And the researcher used to put many of his ideas, theories, his conceptual analysis, which has taken place earlier to that study on the same subject, and tries to understand the social reality of the present, keeping in relation with the earlier studies conducted and earlier theories that has revolved around the same subject. But in social survey or survey research, you will find that even if the same universe is being studied, social facts are being studied, but the thing is that it is an open-ended kind of things where the social researcher has a lesser amount of involvement, I would say, because in many of the social survey research, we tend to extract opinions, attitude, social fact, taste, choice, even interest, likes and dislikes. So in survey, we always try to extract from our universe opinion, likes and dislikes, taste and choice, interest, the as it is fact of social as it is social facts present before us. So here in social survey research, we conduct surveys to find out mostly opinion, attitude, likes, dislike, taste, interest of a particular larger group of society to come into conclusion. How is it different between other kind different from other kind of researches? Because in other kind of researches, the researcher and the problem itself has been devised in such a manner that the tools and technique that has been devised to explore data and the kind of problem a researcher tries to unravel is much more having much more deeper uh, social root, or he studies something very important and he needs to go much deeper into the subject. But when you're talking about a survey, survey is not being undertaken to go much deeper on a particular social fact or attitude, opinion. Rather, it is an extraction of or the reflection of people's idea, opinion, attitude, like, dislike, taste. So in that sense, you can say that this is more of a open-ended kind of study, or we can to some extent a research or a survey, where there is the use of theories, theorems, ideas, ideologies, earlier impressions, mostly theory building around that. Normally, social survey research does not take account into these kind of things like earlier research conducted on the subject, or the theories revolving around a particular subject. It is merely an open-ended survey of opinion, attitude, and social facts existing in the society around us. I think I am clear to you all. So the definition of survey researcher is what the survey researcher primarily do. The survey researcher is primarily interested in assessing the characteristics of the whole population. So to assess the characteristics of a whole population on a particular topic, it is not practically possible to assess the characteristics of a particular population or a whole population. So a random sample representative of population is taken, like the our other research, like empirical research, where we took a particular yesterday we were also talking about sampling. So there also we do take a representative sample for the study and to generalize things. But here, if you will compare this kind of survey research to other kind of research, here your universe is relatively bigger than the other kind of researches. It may so happen a state, an entire district or population of a bigger chunk is your universe. So it is next to impossible to undertake survey for in a whole area, in a far larger area. Hence, a random sampling method is usually taken into consideration to get a representative view or to get a representative idea on a particular subject that one person or organization or any institution is conducting to have some data. So when we're talking about random sampling, as the name suggests, your randomization must be having some logicality. When you are taking a random sample, there you must put some of the logicality, some of the rationality behind selecting a particular chunk of population to be your universe for the accessing of data. There you must put something in your back of your mind, so that even if you are having a randomized sampling, you must be able to reflect or show or visualize things that I have taken the sample in such a manner that it is minimally representing the whole population I am addressing to. So it is almost like the sampling that is being taken in other kind of researches. So there are many types of survey research being conducted worldwide in different places. And many of the survey research you'll find personal interview, questionnaire, e-survey, telephone survey, panel technique. So when we are talking about personal interview, you must have encountered people. आमे जो माने अनेक समय बिग बाजार को जाउचे, बड़ बड़ मॉल को जाउचे, आपण माने देखिबे सेठी इमीडिएटली आपण को इंटरव्यू करिबा पई किबा स्मॉल तीन चार टी कथा पचारिबा पई दि चार जण कोठी ठिया छन हटा जासी कि आपण को किछि पचारिबे. So nowadays in many arenas of social life you will find interview is the most appropriate or most easy way of knowing people's taste, choice, ideas, opinion, likes, dislikes, everything. So it is busy. It is very easy before people and organization. So as you know, it is nothing but it's not new that there in a personal interview there must be an interviewer and interviewee. There is a jane interview करूचंती, जने परिचालन करूचंती इंटरव्यू, जने पचारुचंती एवं जनकु पचरा जाउची, जने लोकंकु पचरा जाउची. सोशियोलॉजिकली आमे जहा को रेस्पोंडेंट कहूचे हमर इंटरव्यूवी सी होची मोर रेस्पोंडेंट. सी किछि प्रश्न पचारिबो, सी किछि उत्तर देबे. तेकर ए जो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू माध्यम रे आजिकली आमे माने आम जीवन रो हमर in our external life, external social life, you will find interview as a method of accessing data or accessing information, characteristics of a population, and different dimension of understanding of people around their worldview is being conducted through personal interview. And personal interview is being thought of as a very good source of information, accessing information and accessing people's choice over many things. So it is going on in a daily basis. So you people might have come across such interview in many places. Success of any interview, आमे जो इंटरव्यू कथा कहूचे, जे कोनसी इंटरव्यू कथा कहआ होची, से इंटरव्यू डिपेंड करछि तीनटा फैक्टर ऊपर. गोटे होची accessibility, आरटी होची cognition, and the other one, third one is motivation. What is accessibility? In terms of information required from the respondent, एथिरे accessibility जिनस कोन रहउची. Suppose बेले बेले accessibility कथा कहले आमे social science research रे आमे बहुत हुए मोर चैप्टर क्लास भितरे I have forgotten to mention the importance and use of RAPO. I mean, normal sense RAPO building. So it's a process. So what is that RAPO building? So I mean, accessibility, personal interview, accessibility, important phase बोली कि कहूचु गोटे बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण पर्याय जेतेबेले आमे जने व्यक्ति को इंटरव्यू माध्यम रे किछि तथ्य संग्रह करूचे सेतेबेले एक्सेसिबिलिटी ता गोटे बड़ इंपोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स कहूची कोन पाई. एवं एक्सेसिबिलिटी रे मु जेमति कहली जे आमे पूर्वरु कथावार्ता रे आलोचना भितर परिसर को आनिने जे व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ making rapport with the universe, with the person to whom I am going to interview. So suppose जनक संगे मोर इंटरव्यू करिवार अछि, मु ताटु किछि तथ्य संग्रह करिवि. So can I go straight away and ask questions immediately? So out of blue I cannot go and ask questions for my requirement, because I want this, and I have got my limitation of time and resources. Hence, I would approach you immediately and ask that can you say this? What is your opinion on this? So will it help? Will it be helpful to me or my survey? You will agree that it will not help me in my survey at all. Why? Because I have not been able to create an accessibility, my accessibility, to the other friend to whom I am going to interview. So the rapport building means how far I am close to that person. I can understand that I do not know the person I'm going to interview, but during conversation, during my informal interaction with the person, how far I have made myself close to that person, how far he or she has taken me into confidence, because the person is, I'm going to ask some questions. I am going to extract some of his ideas revolving in his or her bent of mind. So I would like to read his mind. So I need to ensure that he must come closer to me in terms of mental understanding, and he or she must feel comfortable in dealing with facts or in dealing with me. I must make the whole environment or the ambience such trustworthy, so that the other person will not hesitate to share me his or her thoughts. Could you follow me? So accessibility is not that I have opened the gate of the house and entered immediately and started asking questions or started pouring in questions to a person because I'm there to have my survey. So could you follow me? So we need to build a small rapport with the person. I need to go closer to the person where he needs to feel. I must ensure that he will feel comfortable with me in sharing data or sharing information. And my approach towards a particular person should not be in that fashion where he or she will have some barrier. ता भितर गोटे बैरियर रहिबनी हमर सेही जो कथावार्ता भितरे ता भितरे ट्रस्ट मो परे आसीबा कथा एवं से कंफर्टेबल फील करिबा कथा मते किछि शेयर करिबा पई एवं देयर मस्ट नॉट बी एनी बैरियर इन बिटवीन द इंटरव्यूअर एंड इंटरव्यूई जदि कोनोसी प्रकार रो बैरियर रहिला बैरियर मींस काइंडली अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर नो फिजिकल बैरियर बट देयर शुड नॉट बी अ मेंटल बैरियर and before that he or she must take me into confidence. So what in other words, the way I conduct myself, the way I am behaving, the way I am approaching towards the other person, the way I am conducting myself before him or her should inculcate confidence and trust in me. So that is what accessibility. When you are writing answers on personal interview in your examination, merely don't write that accessibility in terms of information required from the respondent. He must be able to convey. It is not the answer. Accessibility means what? A mental accessibility. I must bring in trust in the other person upon me. So that is what accessibility. I must create an environment and ambience where he or she will feel comfortable. Could you follow me? Okay. Then second is cognition. What is cognition? The cognition is the world around us today is having lesser amount of cognition, I would say. Cognition होची जदि आपण तार पूरा अर्थ को बुझिया बुझिबे जे इवन इन फैमिली लाइफ द कॉग्निशन रो अर्थ को जाकी बुझिबे सपोज भाई आ भौणी दु जण अछंती किंबा मां आ पुओ देयर आर थिंग्स देयर आर हैपनिंग्स देयर आर इंस्टेंसेस इन द फैमिली इटसेल्फ जो जगह रे हमकु बहुत कथा न कही द अदर पर्सन इन द फैमिली अंडरस्टैंड्स even from the gesture, my body language, the other person understands that what I am really looking for. बुझी पाले जे बेले बेले accessibility or rapport or the relationship is so close that even if you are not uttering a single word, the other person could able to understand what you want. तेणुक आम से प्रकार गोटे परिवेश सृष्टि करने दरकार जिते मु कौन चाहूँगी मोर एक्जाक्टली मो सर्वे रे आम ये बाहर को जिते बेसिक ब्रॉडर एरिया को जीवा मु कौन चाहूँगी व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर दैट नीड्स टू बी थरोली इंटरनलाइज्ड बाय द रेस्पोंडेंट मु कौन चाहूँगी जदि गोटे कथा मु जहाँ कहूँ एमती भाव में मोर एक्सेसिबिलिटी बेल को जहाँ कहली एमती भाव में मु बुझेली जदि अदर पर्सन इज कंफ्यूज्ड के बुझिनी मु गोटे जिनस कहूँ सी मते आउ गोटे प्रकार उत्तर दौरान सो माय रैपो माय लैंग्वेज माय अप्रोच टू द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन माय काइंड ऑफ वेवलेंथ माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द सर्वे आई एम कंडक्टिंग एंड when I am delivering the same, when I am trying to give an understanding of my survey to a person, needs to be very clearly stated thing, so that the respondent is able to understand what is required of him. सी कौन कहबा दरकार से कौन मु आवश्यक करछि से केमति बुझी परिबो सेही लेवल को जाई करी मते आपण को सर्वे करिया पड़ियो तो सर्वे पूर्वरु बट आई मस्ट एंश्योर ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स देन द मोटिवेशन ऑफ द रेस्पोंडेंट टू आंसर एक्यूरेटली एगुडा को सब जिंस ई तीनोटी जिंसर प्राइमरी किए करिवा दरकार हु इज इंटरव्यूइंग नॉट द इंटरव्यूवी मु आपण को पाख को जाई छी किछि तथ्य उद्धार करिवा पई तेणुकरी माई प्राइमरी ड्यूटी इज टू मेक यू कंफर्टेबल make you feel that I am honest to my kind of survey, make you feel that I am objective in my survey. I must ensure that there will be no mental barrier and I must motivate the respondent. I must motivate the respondent in a way that what I am requiring from the respondent, the exact thing or the exact kind of understanding the respondent will have. Could you follow me? Okay. आमे जो टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरव्यू कथा कहूचे कि आमे जिते इंटरव्यू करवा कथा कहूचे लोकन को नहीं ऑलमोस्ट आमे मूलर बोधे मु कहूतली जे इंटरव्यूटा सब बड़े स्ट्रक्चर्ड किंबा अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड दी पाखरे ही पारे आमे स्ट्रक्चर्ड आ अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड कहिले आपण माने बुझी परिबे जे मु स्ट्रक्चर्ड काहा को कहिबी को इंटरव्यूटा मोर स्ट्रक्चर्ड हेतबो प्रथम पैरामीटर जदि हम बुझिबा जे why you need something before interview, what is that you require before interview. मु तो गोटे वैक्यूम माइंड रे गोटे संपूर्ण भाव रे ओपन एंडेड हेई मु किछि नाही मो बैक ऑफ माइंड मु जाऊ नहीं. So I am conducting a survey having many of the questions. Which is question नहीं करी जाउची मो सर्वे रे. तेणुकरी सेगुड़िक से जहाँ नहीं की जाउची सेगुड़िक केते स्ट्रक्चर एवं केते अनस्ट्रक्चर. बट देयर इज समथिंग इन द बैक ऑफ माय माइंड. जीए भी जाउचन सर्वे करिया पे से किछि आनिबा पे जाउचन तथ्य आनिबा पे जाउचन. तो तथ्य आनिबा को गला बेलकू सी कोन संगे रे नहीं की जाइचन. तो प्रथम कथा बुझंतु आमे जते इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल कथा कहूचे क्वेश्चनएयर कथा कहूचे जते एम्पिरिकल रिसर्च कथा कहूचे सेते आमे जदी गोटे स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल कथा कहूचे ता माने गोटे रेडीमेड पेपर रे आमे स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेश्चनएयर एवं इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल गोटे तयारी करछे. ता माने देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन तार घर तार बापा गना तार जीनियोलॉजी तार विभिन्न प्रश्न को मु लिखित आकार रखिछि. स्ट्रक्चर गोटे सीक्वेंस ग्रहण करछि. जेमति गोटे जिंस पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस रे अछि. मु जोठी के जाउछि से लोकटी किए नेम ऑफ द रेस्पोंडेंट देयर मस्ट बी नेम ऑफ द फादर ऑफ द रेसिडेंट रेस्पोंडेंट से को गाँ रो लोक को ब्लॉक रो लोक से को कास्ट जदी दरकार पड़छि से को कास्ट रो से को एज ग्रुप को बिलोंग करूछि. तो गुरी एगुडा को प्राय आमे मिनिमम लेवल आमे देखु जे पर्टिकुलर गोटे सीक्वेंस थिबो गोटे स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरव्यू जतले करिया को जाउछे ताले हम पाखरे किछि स्ट्रक्चर्ड मटेरियल थिबो. गोटे मूलत आमे गोटे फॉर्मल अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमर थिबो बा फॉर्मली वी हैव a guide or a guide kind of thing which will guide me during my survey. That will be available with the researcher or with the person who is going to conduct the survey. जेमति मु कहली जे इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल जतबे नै कि जाउची प्रिपेयरिंग लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बिफोरहैंड. During informal interaction with the person, I might share something other than what is there in the questions. He or she might share something which is not which I'm not asking for, but basic requirement is what a structured interview schedule. List of questions will always be there beforehand. आपण पाखरे रिक्वायर्ड करुवा इंफॉर्मेशन पाई जो जो क्वेश्चन रा आवश्यकता अछि प्रश्न रा आवश्यकता अछि से प्रश्न गुडिक सम्मिलित थाई गोटे इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल मो पाखरे थिबो. It is not necessary in social science research as always that I will always stick to those questions only and I cannot have any informal discussion with the respondent. That is not there. You can go on asking many things, but we need to be very precise enough and stick to the list of questions that is required, because that list of questions have been prepared keeping in mind that this survey needs all those questions. The survey will be incomplete without asking, without quantifying, or without bringing, without accessing those questions. So those questions are the primary questions you need to ask. So that is the basic requirement of structured interview. Then close-ended questions. What is open-ended question and what is close-ended question? Close-ended question रे आमे ambiguity कम रखिबा, आमे specific हबा, more precise हबा. Structured interview रे कौन हबो ना आमे कौन exactly चाहूचे ताठू नंबर रे चाहूचे, आमे पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव रे चाहूचे, यस और नो रे चाहूचे, आमे चारिटा पैरामीटर करछे एग्री डिसएग्री रे चाहूचे. तो we need close ended question and close ended answer. Answer would be more specific. I need specific answers for my questions. But अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड रे एक्जाक्टली यार सब ऑपोजिट बोली हमें कहूँ अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड माने आई एम गोइंग एंड having interview in a very no sequence किसी नहीं there is no sequence of my I'm making him comfortable during my interview and I am trying to discuss many things around the sun under the sun and within that unstructuredness I am also trying to put forth my questions and I am bringing things to the fore आपण माने केतेबेले भी बुझंतु नाही जे स्ट्रक्चर्ड आ पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस रे थिले हमर बहुत भलो रेस्पॉन्स आसीबो एवं अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड आ सीक्वेंस रे नथिबा प्रकार रो गोटे इंटरव्यू रे आमे हुए त हम पर्पस को डिफीट हे जिवो बोली कि भाबिबा भूल कारण अनेक सोशियोलॉजिस्ट किंबा सोशल साइंटिस्ट अछंती देखा जाय छि से माने गोटे गोटे गाँ रे गोटे गोटे विलेज भितरे तांका स्टडी रो तांको जीवन रो गुडा दिन काटी दैछन सेठी रहिचंती तांकर संगे बसिचंती मिसिचंती एवं परवर्ती समय रे आसी कि समान किछि तांकर निजर मतामत रखिचंती बहि लिखिचंती थ्योरी तयारी करचंती हम जेबे सर्वे कथा कहूछु my or your survey may not lead to a big theory building process but thing is that my only limited point is that you cannot discount the usefulness, the importance of unstructured interview, saying that it is not scientific, it is not structured, and it would not yield result, or it would not yield desired result for the social scientist or the sociologist. It is not true. There are instances where researcher or the survey, the person who is conducting the survey has assimilated himself. गोटे कम्युनिटी संगे से रही बहुत जोर समय देछि एवं से भितर मध्ये से किछि पाइछि किंतु मूल जिंस हमको पुणी प्रैक्टिकल हबा को पड़िबो जे when we are conducting a survey for a very limited period of time, we have got limited resources, we need to come out with the result, we need to have a opinion pool. So से जगह रे अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड टा हमको टिके विशेष हेल्प करे नै when we are talking about paucity of time or time নাই time limit एतिकी ता भितर मते एतिकी रेस्पोंडेंट टू एई प्रकार तथ्य आनिबो so that I will generalize things. It may so happen that here in a particular situation or in a particular survey the structured or particular sequence cycle जो इंटरव्यू मु करूची that would fare well for me but the unstructured would lead to ambiguity. But overall unstructured kind of interview is also helpful and gives a very unbiased kind of brings unbiased kind of data from the population. It is जेमति कहला तापर जे flexibility in framing and order of questions. सेठी गोटे सेट पैटर्न थिबो को प्रकार पटा जो जेमति ना ठू गारो तापर तार जाति तापर तार ये हम सब्जेक्ट ऊपर को टिके परे आछे आगो तार इंट्रोडक्शन पूरा नै गला परे हम सब्जेक्ट ऊपर को क्वेश्चन आमथिबो बट एठी कोन होची अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड फ्लेक्सिबल इन फ्रेमिंग एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ क्वेश्चन मु जेतोले ता से कथा वार्ता होची गोटे गार लोक आ गोटे गार लोक संगे जे कथा होची किमा गोटे ऑर्डरली अरेंजमेंट रे किछि मोर क्वेश्चन है हम कथा वार्ता माध्यम रे सेही क्वेश्चन उडा करूची बट द अदर पर्सन इज अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मु गोटे पूरा फॉर्मल वे रे क्वेश्चनिंग करिया को आसी एवं एठी जेंते हम कहतले जे गोटे क्लोज एंडेड आंसर स्पेसिफिक हो प्रिसाइज हो ओपन एंडेड रे सेमते किछ नै ही और सी विल गिव एन ओपिनियन एंड it is the duty of the surveyor to reach into conclusion on the basis of the open ended answers that the person has given to me. तो तार बेसिस रे मु ताको एक्सेस मो इंटेलिजेंस हिसाब रे ताको एनालाइज करिवि जे से ओपन एंडेड आंसर भितर मु केमिति आई एम फॉर्मुलेटिंग माय ओन आंसर्स और फॉर्मुलेटिंग द सर्वे रिजल्ट ऑफ द सर्वे. ओके एवं इंटरव्यू कथा जेतोळे कहा होची या पूर्व मुटिके आपण मन को कहि दे जे सर्वे रे इंटरव्यू बोली कथा पने हमें जेतोळे सोशल साइंस रिसर्च रे साधारण स्तर रे इंटरव्यू करूचे बेले बेले आपण माने देखुतबे जे एई प्रकार रो इंटरव्यू प्राय हम करूची इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल जने व्यक्ति आ जने व्यक्ति संगे कथा गोटे रिसर्चर जाय गोटे लोक संगे कथबार्ता करूची एककालीन बहु लोक संगे करूनी गोटे लोक संगे इंडिविजुअल इंडिविजुअल ओपिनियन होची इंडिविजुअल टू ग्रुप जदि आपण माने ये जो इंडिविजुअल टू ग्रुप टाको आ गोटे हिसाब रे देखिबे आपण देखिबे गोटे जगह रे गोटे रिसर्चर जाई छी गां रे किछि लोकन को बसई के मझिरे इंटरव्यू करूची कथबार्ता करूची आलोचना करूची एई प्रकार इंटरव्यू रे people and the group feel comfortable to share their concerns किछि विषय वस्तु अछि जोटा इंडिविजुअल लेवल ले शेयर करबा को भलो पाइबो किछि विषय वस्तु अछि जहा ऊपर हम गोटे ओपन डिस्कशन करिया को साहस करूची एवं वी आर श्योर दैट दिस विल लीड टू ए गुड रिजल्ट so it depends upon the kind of survey we are conducting आमे को प्रकार रो विषय वस्तु ऊपर सर्वे करबा को जाउचे ताकू नहीं आमे ए सिद्धांत रे उपनीत हवा जे आमे को प्रकार रो गोटे सिचुएशन क्रिएट करिकरी इंटरव्यू करिबा मु कोन विषय वस्तु नै छी जहा मते बाध्य करूची जे व्यक्तिगत स्तर रे कथा हेबी एवं कोन विषय वस्तु नै छी जहा मु ग्रुप संगे रे जदी बसुची ताहले आई विल गेट मोर पर्टिनेंट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन ए पर्टिकुलर सोशल फैक्ट और सोशल इश्यू आउ किछि जगह रे ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल संगे बसुची गोटे ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल संगे बसुची सपोज मु एमिति किछि जिंस आलोचना सर्वे करिया को चाहूची माने करंतु गवर्नेंस सिस्टम रे हमरो गवर्नेंस व्यवस्था रे हमें 3 टायर पंचायत राज व्यवस्था ऊपर किछि अध्ययन करियो ताले मु कहा संगे को ग्रुप संगे बसिबी 3 टायर पंचायत राज व्यवस्था भितरे मु को गोटे ग्रुप संगे बसिले मु समस्त जिंस बुझी परिबी कि ना कारण 3टा को टायर रो ग्रुप संगे मते बसिया पड़ी could you follow me and there is सर्वे हबो जोटी ग्रुप टू ग्रुप बसिबे सर्वे करूतबा लोक मध्ये ग्रुप रे थिबे एवं जो मान को सर्वे करा जाउतो से मध्ये ग्रुप रे तापरे कथा उठिला जे क्वेश्चनर रे कोन हमें इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल कथा कहूचे क्वेश्चनर इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल या क्वेश्चनर भीतर डिफरेंस कौन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल और इंटरव्यू करिवार जो हमें जो टूल ता धरिचे नॉर्मली तक हम इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल कहूचे एवं क्वेश्चनर किछि जगह रे कोन हुए जोठी हमें लिटरेट पॉपुलेशन पाख को जाउचे हमें क्वेश्चनर नियरली हमें तांको बांटी दे परिबा पर पीपल if my universe and my respondents are well educated and they can devote some of their precious time to my kind of survey they can fill it down even mall fall le ajikali gole semti gote paper deउचंदी आपण खाली टिक मार दे it saves precious time also क्वेश्चनर से कोची इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिंपल वर्सेटाइल एंड लो कॉस्ट सेल्फ रिपोर्टिंग मेथड एथिरे आपनकर कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्री डिटरमाइंड सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन आगुर क्वेश्चन तयारी हेकर अछि नोबडी इज आस्किंग यू एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अछि सेति पय आकु हाईली स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरव्यूज बोली को जाय मो पाखे क्वेश्चन रेडीमेड अछि पूरा तयारी अछि एवं से कोची क्वेश्चनर कोठी हेल्पफुल हो जे क्वेश्चनर इज यूज्ड फॉर कलेक्टिंग डेमोग्राफी इंफॉर्मेशन एटीट्यूड्स नॉलेज एटसेट्रा तेणु करी एठी क्वेश्चनर तैयारी करबा पछर जो इंटेलिजेंस जो आइडिया इट usually comes into play because the researcher when approaches a field with a questionnaire in his hand he puts maximum effort in preparing that questionnaire, because that questionnaire will bring in not only material information but attitude, knowledge, taste, choice, likes, dislikes, interest. So these are all very abstract terms. These are not concrete terms. When we are talking about somebody's opinion, like, dislike, taste, choice, interest, intelligence, knowledge, attitude, these are not very a kind of prominently visible things. It is internalized. It is a quality aspect. So you need to prepare your questionnaire in such a manner that you are going to bring in all these things which are abstract in nature. ମୋ କଥା ବୁଝିଲେ ନା? ଆପଣମାନେ ତ sociology ପଢିଛନ୍ତି, ପଢିଥିବେ ଏବଂ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ଯେ what is abstract and what is concrete. ବେସିକ୍ ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି ଯେ social science ରେ in many a times we used to deal with abstract things. They are not concrete things. My kind of intelligence, my thinking ability, my knowledge, my ethical standard, my moral conscience. So your ethical standard may differ with my ethical standard. So it is very difficult to actually assess or to bring in or to quantify abstract things during survey. So questionnaire helps to collect these kind of things. So can you just imagine, before putting forth the questions in questionnaire, how difficult it would be before a researcher to frame questions in a manner that will bring in, suppose keep yourself as a respondent, bring in your attitudinal traits, knowledge, opinion, likes and dislike, taste, choice, your knowledge. So it is very difficult. कारण आम समस्ते जानिचे जे आम जिते गोटे निर्दिष्ट लोक को देखुचे, निर्दिष्ट व्यक्ति को देखुचे, गोटे निर्दिष्ट सामाजिक व्यवस्था को अध्ययन करुचे, गोटे निर्दिष्ट सामाजिक कस्टम ट्रेडिशन एगुड़ाकर मैनिफेस्टेशन टा देखुचे, वी आर लुकिंग इनटू द मैनिफेस्टेशन ओनली. गुरुवार रे जदि आपनक घरे मो घरे गुरुवार माणबसा पूजा होची, मु कोन देखुची? मु घरे झुटीटा देखुची, सकाळू पूजा व्यवस्थाटा देखुची, गोटे महिलाटे सकाळू कोन करूची से अवस्थाटा देखुची. बट व्हाट इज देयर, व्हाट इज इट दैट ए माणबसा गुरुवार इज बीइंग फॉलोड फॉर ए 1000 years. सो ए जो जिनिस ओ प्रकार थिंकिंग किंबा चेंजेस इन द थिंकिंग, एटीट्यूड रे चेंज, नॉलेज रे चेंज, माय पर्सपेक्टिव रे चेंज, मोर दृष्टिभंगी रे परिवर्तन होची एवं मो दृष्टिभंगी को क्वेश्चनियर माध्यम रे मु गोटे निर्दिष्ट व्यवस्था ऊपर मोर दृष्टिभंगी को मु सर्वे करिया चेष्टा करूची, किंबा मो भलिया हजार हजार लोकंकर दृष्टिभंगी गोटे निर्दिष्ट विषय वस्तु ऊपर, सामाजिक विषय वस्तु ऊपर मु अध्ययन करिया चाहूची किंबा असेस करिया चाहूची. So you see how it is very difficult to frame a question to assess all these things. एवं ता बाहर आ गोटे जिन सब छाड़ी गली डेमोग्राफिक इंफॉर्मेशन आल्सो. So what is demographic information? Demography is nothing but the study of population. Demography is the study of population. Population रो जो dynamics हमें सर्वे मध्य केमती आनिबा. What is the dynamics of population? हमें समझते जानी चाहिए जे पॉपुलेशन गोटे स्थिर जिनस नुह, एवं पॉपुलेशन कहले खाली लोकंकर गोटे संख्या नुह. यदि लोकंकर गोटे संख्या होता पॉपुलेशन, ताले आपण माने भावंतु 10 वर्ष को थरे गोटे सेंसस करा जानते नाही. हैविंग ए ह्यूज मल्टीट्यूड ऑफ रिसोर्सेस रिक्वायर होची. गोटे सर्वे हमें 10 वर्ष को थरे करूचे, जदि खाली गोटे पॉपुलेशन थांता नुह. इट्स ए पॉपुलेशन स्टडी, इट्स ए साइंस ऑफ स्टडीइंग पॉपुलेशन, डेमोग्राफी. So it's a huge science. So demographic information madhya ana jai pariba. क्वेश्चनर मेथड डेमोग्राफिक इंफॉर्मेशन अर्थ नुह जे मु मो घर केते जण परिवार अछंती पुओ झियो केते जण अछंती मच मच बियॉन्ड दैट इट्स ए बिगर सोशल बिगर साइंस सो ए प्रकार पॉपुलेशन विभिन्न डायनामिक्स प्रोसेस को विभिन्न प्रकार तार डायमेंशन को केमिति अध्ययन करा जाय परिबो सो क्वेश्चनर used to collect demographic information as well as attitude knowledge and all that. You see how it is very difficult to assess information in survey. Suppose से गोटे open ended question example देखछन्ती आपण देखंतु से जण को पचारुचंती what is friendship to you, it is open ended question. एवं सेकेंड रे क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन में पचारुचंती इज फ्रेंडशिप इज ए लव बी फैमिली मु जते बेले क्लोज एंडेड प्रश्न गोटे रेस्पोंडेंट को पचारुची मु ताको कहूची तम पई बंधुत्वटा कोन ता पाखरे गोटे जगह रे गोटे लव लिखुची गोटे फैमिली लिखुची मु ताको से प्रकार फ्रीडम दउनी से आउ किछि कहबो मु सेति पे आरो स्लाइड रे कहउतली जे ओपन एंडेड सेमी स्ट्रक्चर्ड अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड दैट इज इंटरव्यू से गुडा को बेटर कारण आपण रेस्पोंडेंट को किछि फ्रीडम दउचंती he can use his mental ability to answer you as he or she likes but close ended question आपण जेतोळ दउचंती